This video will illustrate how to use the volume of a cylinder formula. The formula is volume equals pi r squared h. The r is the radius of the circle at one end of the cylinder, and the h is the height of the cylinder. For these examples, we will use 3.14 for pi. If we are given the radius and the height, and asked for the volume of the cylinder, then we just have to plug in our radius and height into the formula and simplify. Pi is 3.14. R is 6. And it will be squared by the formula. And h is 10. Six squared is 36, and 36 times 10 is 360. And 3.14 times 360 is 1130.4. Because we were dealing with centimeters and this is volume, the unit of measure will be centimeters cubed. In this example, we are given the volume, 25.12 millimeters cubed, and the height, 8 millimeters, and we are being asked for the radius, r. We plug the values we have into the formula and simplify. 25.12 goes in the V position. Pi is 3.14. R squared is our unknown. And h is 8. Simplifying, we will multiply 8 by 3.14, and we get 25.12. Our r squared is still there. To isolate the r squared, we divide both sides by 25.12. These cancel, r squared is isolated, and 25.12 divided by 25.12 is 1. We want r, not r squared, so if r squared is equal to 1, r is equal to the square root of 1, which is 1. And because we were dealing with millimeters cubed, millimeters, radius is a distance, it will be measured in millimeters. The radius of this cylinder is equal to 1 millimeter. In this example, we are given the volume, 1,846.32 meters cubed, and the radius, 7 meters, and we are being asked for the height. Plugging the values we have into the equation and solving for h, V is replaced by 1846.32. Pi is 3.14. R is 7, and h is our unknown. First thing we'll do is square the 7 and get 49. And then multiply 49 by 3.14. Which gives us 153.86. The h is still there. Now we divide both sides by 153.86. These cancel. H is isolated, and 1846.32 divided by 153.86 is 12. Since our unit of measure was meters cubed in meters, h, the height, is a distance. It will be measured in meters. The height of this cylinder is 12 meters. This question gives us a couple of small extra steps. We are not given a radius, we are given a diameter, so we have to calculate our radius. And we are being asked this time to give our answer, the volume, in liters. The first thing to do is to apply the small formula that converts between diameter and radius. Diameter is equal to 2 times radius. Since our diameter is 8 centimeters, 8 equals 2 times radius. Divide both sides by 2, these cancel, r equals 4. Now we have our radius and we can go ahead and use the volume of a cylinder formula. V is our unknown, pi is 3.14, r squared is 4 squared, and h is 8. Four squared is 16, and 8 times 16 is 128. Yep. And 3.14 times 128 is 401.92. Because these measures were in centimeters, this volume is 401.92 centimeters cubed. But centimeters cubed are equivalent to milliliters, so the volume is 401.92 milliliters. And since there are 1,000 milliliters in a liter, we just have to move our decimal place 3 spaces to the left to convert milliliters to liters. The volume in liters is 0.40192.